What's up, y'all? It's your girl Carrie M. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, if you ain't new, welcome back. How you doing? Now, first of all, I'm gonna need everyone to hook me up if you haven't done so already, and please subscribe to the channel. Click on that pretty red subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, turn on that notification bell. Now I have something real cute and fun for y'all today, so I'm gonna definitely need y'all to tune in so you can get all the tea, girl. So today's video is sponsored by Talisa Jewelry, and I am super excited, y'all. I have never tried out jewelry from this brand, and I've never heard of them until they reached out to me, and I'm excited. Why? Because it's a subscription box. If you love subscription boxes, you'll definitely love this. The only subscription box that I've ever taken part of was makeup and never jewelry, but I absolutely love jewelry. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes when I'm getting dressed, I have so many pieces of jewelry already, but sometimes you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have the right piece to go with this outfit. It's like you could never get enough. So jewelry is a woman's best friend when it comes to accessorizing and just kind of putting those finishing touches on your looks and your outfits. So this is really exciting, okay? Now, y'all already know I'm going to give you a nice close-up on the pieces that I got already from them, but I want to get all the important information out the way because I know somebody's going to comment and ask me about it if I don't do it. Now, if you still have comments and questions after the video, of course drop it below, but I'm gonna get most of them out the way for you now. So first of all, Talisa Jewelry subscription box is personalized. So basically you go on the website and you take your style quiz. You would choose what you like in jewelry, as far as the style goes, the metal types, the colors, the lengths, whatever it is. Okay, you take the style test and you'll get 3+ items in your subscription box based on what you did on your style quiz, girl. So straight up, plain and simple. It is a try at home experience, of course. So you do get 7 days to try out the jewelry, see if you loving it and you want to keep it, or if you want to send it back, which is an easy process. I've already explained how the personalized box goes with the quiz, but it gets even more personalized than you think. So you can actually get engravings in your jewelry. So for example, the necklace that I'm wearing, wait till you guys see the close-up, is so cute, so special to me. I have a name engraved in this, so you can get names engraved in the jewelry, you can get birthstones, things of that such, which I think just kind of gives a more emotional value to the piece of jewelry, and actually it makes for a really nice gift as well. Now, girl, I know you want to see what these jewelry pieces are hitting for, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up, draw you in a little bit, see what I got. I'm gonna start off with the earrings. First of all, these earrings are super pretty and petite. These are the dazzling hoop crystal earrings, 18 karat gold vermeil, and these are just so gorgeous, y'all. First of all, I love hoops and I love bling, so absolutely happy with them. You can get away with wearing it to work. You can wear it somewhere sexy, like on a date. You know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. These will be perfect for something like that. I am in love. I love that it's a petite size, y'all, and that it's not like too large, because like I said, you can kind of just get away with wearing it every day and everywhere. We have a nice open and close clasp that's really easy, so we don't have to worry about the, you know, traditional clip up, clip down that might pop off. That happened to me a few times. So in love with these, y'all. Absolutely love it. Now, the next item is this bracelet. This is the Enchanted Heart Melanese chain bracelet. It's 18 karat gold plated. Now, this is gorgeous. So we have that nice Italian like chain design, classic style, with the heart giving it some cute. You know what, this would be great for a gift actually for Valentine's Day coming up. It has a cute heart on it. It's nice for a gift. I definitely recommend it as a gift because it's very pretty. I like that we have a nice thick width to it. So if you like to be seen and you like your bracelets to kind of make your outfit pop, this is for you. Absolutely in love with it. And the last item that I want to show you is the necklace. Now, the necklace is special to me. This is the Family Circle delicate chain necklace. Mine says Payo, which is my 4-month-old puppy. So I'm in love. I'm in love, y'all. But you can put multiple names on this charm if you want to, not just one name. And it's super, super pretty. 18 karat gold plated. I am in love, y'all. So far, I'm happy with all of my pieces. And let's go ahead and finish talking some detail. Weren't those pieces just so freaking adorable, so cute? I love the bracelet. Absolutely love this bracelet, y'all. It's so cute. Bracelets are actually my favorite jewelry pieces, like for real. So, but y'all know this is special to me. A black girl in her hoops, girl. So first of all, each box is a $20 styling fee. $20 is pretty acceptable, pretty affordable, and it sounds good to me. Now, that $20 box fee covers the shipping and handling, the preparation, and the curated stylist picks. That $20 will go towards credit towards whatever you decide to keep. So that's a win-win as well. Now, the price ranges for them jewelry in my book is pretty affordable. Y'all know I'm here for affordable jewelry that's going to give you some quality without really breaking your pockets, okay? And I'm not talking about $20, $10, $5, $1 jewelry, because those don't last as long, okay? The prices are very affordable, between $49.95 and $149.95. Now, that's not bad, y'all, at all, okay? Feeling the prices so far. Now, the return process for the items that you decide that you did not fall in love with is actually pretty easy, y'all. The return label is literally in the box. So I opened up the box and I'm like, I'm not returning this stuff. It's really cute. But if you decided that you didn't want to keep the jewelry, the return sticker is already in there, so you don't have to hit up customer service or anything like that. It's already set for you. Very easy. Absolutely happy with it. I'm gonna need you ladies to let me know. Chime in the comment section and let me know, have you ever tried one? I need to know if you've ever tried a subscription box for jewelry. If you did you like it? And two, let me know, have you ever tried any styling services at all? And if you did, how did you like it? It doesn't have to be jewelry, anything. I'm curious to know. But do you guys think that you guys are going to try out Talisa jewelry? I would like to know that as well. They have really cute pieces, y'all. Really cute pieces. Not only just the type of stuff I have. So all different types of styles are available, of course. You don't have to just stick to like the golds. I'm a gold fanatic. That's the type of jewelry I like. But you can get into the earthy type of jewelry, the beads and all of that type of stuff, which I think is pretty dope that they have a lot of options to kind of service different styles, obviously. So that is it today. Of course, the direct link to the jewelry pieces that I have today, any codes or anything like that that I may have, will also be linked in the description box for you ladies. You already know I'm gonna hook you up down there. But yes, if you like this video, please like it, give me a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up, and I will see you in another video. I will holla la. I said la. Bye ladies.